Hello guys, good day. The title of the song is The Way You Smile, and this is our theme song since we met before.
I love the way that you smile.
Yes, just listen and enjoy. Thank you for watching. I love to look in your face when you press on me. The way that you laugh at the silliest things. I love the way that you love so unselfishly. You bring out the best in everything. There's a million more, there's just a few of many reasons I love you. Something about the way you smile, I can see forever in your eyes, telling me that I'm yours and you are mine. The way you smile, the way you bubbles in the sweet romance. You're my lady and I'm your man. I love you just like this. The way you smile, the way you smile, the way you smile.
The way you open the door, you always see about me. Treat me like I'm a princess, boy, you're so sweet. Love the way that I feel while I'm in your arms. You whisper you're beautiful, so sweet and warm. There's a million more, there is just a few of the many reasons I love you. But there's something about the way you smile, I can see forever in your eyes, telling me that I'm yours and you are mine. The way you smile, we're like two lovers in a sweet romance. I'm your lady and you're my man. I can see
Love you is just a glass. I love you.
smile, the way you smile, oh, the way you smile, the way you smile. The
First day of me and you. Wherever we go,
I'll be there too. God is for us.
Who can be against us?
Who can be against
But
us?
something about
The way you smile, I can see forever in your eyes, telling me I'm yours and you are mine. The way you smile, we like to love
love's
us
with
in
a
a
sweet
sweet romance.
You're my lady and I'm mine. Love is
Just a glance, the way you smile, the way you smile,
the
way you smile.
Wherever you go, I'll be there too. The
Way you smile,
way you
smile.
Thank you. Just subscribe here and continue to follow us, Azur and Annalisa. Thank you. God bless.